Thanks for following. I want to get pregnant. Why can't I use? You have to go for infertility scan so you know where you stand. Okay, I'm just. Let's see. It means you need to stop. Bibi, you have to stop because it's really early. 6 weeks is early. And it also might be implantation. If it has happened before and is happening again, you have to stop for now, Bibi, and see your doctor. Oba Pa Pokuana. Good morning. Please me do I have to separate test results. See line but no light. What do you mean? Control line but no line. It means it's negative. It means it's negative. Oba Pa. It means it's negative. So we want to talk about the topic of today is ovulation. How to know that you are ovulating. Signs of ovulation. What you need to watch out for ovulation. Please keep tapping this screen. Do you recommend using Epino? What is Epino? Can I see gynecologist, doctor? Yes, please, you can. Rose, join. How are you, Rose? Nelly Bay, how are you? Please, if you are not following me, follow right now. Or share at this live before I start the topic of today. I want to start the topic of today, and it's a question that most women have always asked me. I'm not going to be using the board. I have a board and a marker, but I don't want to use board and marker because I don't have energy to stand. I'm so sorry. Because when you talk about ovulation, it's best explained with a board and a marker, but I will not be doing that. Big B, how are you? Thanks for following me. C, lie. You told me your baby is on the smaller side. I said it's on the smaller side. Your baby is on the smaller size, I said earlier. Miss M, I think Miss M is following me already. Beauty Gabriel, okay. Thank you so much for liking. I can see Beauty Gabriel really liking this life. God will bless you. As you're liking the life, it's enabling the life. More people are seeing the life. But when you don't like, people will come to my life. They just keep asking questions. They will not even like. They will not do anything to help the life. The only thing you can do for me is by liking the life. And if you have gift, you can drop. But if not, just keep liking. Liking they will not deduct from your account. You are not paying for you to like the life. So Bobo J, how are you? Adwa Pretty, how are you? M and M, how are you? Thanks for liking the live. So I'm going to talk about ovulation. There are about 20 signs of ovulation. 20 different signs for you to know that you are ovulating. But there are women that will feel their ovulation, and there are women that won't feel whether they are ovulating or not. So if you are in the category of women that you're trying to take in and you don't know when you are ovulating, that is a red flag. Big red flag. Gift Love, how are you? Thanks for joining. That is a big red flag. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about signs and symptoms of ovulation. As a pregnant woman, you are pregnant and you are watching this live. I know you are pregnant already, you might not need it, but if you have questions regarding your pregnancy, you can still ask. But this topic is mainly for women that are trying to take in, but they are finding it difficult to take in. So this class is for you. Tash, thanks for joining. Cassie, thanks for joining. M, thanks for joining, and thanks for following me. M, God bless you. Ruthie Bomas, thanks for joining. If you're not following, follow already. Cherry Francis, thanks for following me. 95 we started. Which month am I? Go and drop this message in my how to calculate pregnancy by weeks and not by month. So you're already in your third trimester, but around 7 months. You've not 27 weeks, you're 6 weeks. So add another week, another 4 weeks to it, like that. Tash, follow. Thanks for following. Casey, follow. Thanks for following. 9 months started now. Yes, you're already in your third trimester, not 9 months. From 9 months starts from 36 weeks. 9 months starts from 36 weeks. You're on your 9th month, but you are now in your third trimester, but about 7+ week. Okay. Who is talking to me? Consolate. Thanks for joining. Follow if you have not followed already. Okay, we're talking about ovulation. Some women will feel their ovulation. Some women, you are not mad started. I don't understand what you mean. I said when you are in your first trimester, that's 13 months. When your second trimester ends, that's 27 months. When you are entering your third trimester, from 28 weeks to 40 weeks, that is your third trimester, right? How long does your breast stay full after ovulation? I don't know if it is normal breastfeed. So that is what we are talking about. I don't really understand what this lady means, but how can I ask? PO 42 cycle is normal because until now my period not coming. Thank you. Love F. I do not understand what you mean, what you've written. How can I ask PO 42 cycle is normal because until now my period not coming? Thank you. If you can rephrase your question, I would really like that. Nicole Gabriel, thanks for following. Father, take control of this life. Yeah. So ovulation is when there is release of an egg from your ovaries down to your fallopian tube. Are you guys interested in this topic? If you are interested, just let me know. If you're not interested, we can just keep answering the questions that people are throwing in. User me follow. Thanks for following. You guys are interested? Should we go ahead with the class? Happy Love, how are you? Okay, Sona daughter said, yes, I'm interested. Nika Gebre, hi, yes, I am interested. I have a question. Okay, we'll just start the class because a lot of questions are popping in. Safia Traore, Shiks, join. How are you, Shiks? Follow if you're not following. Some more. How are you? So implantation, ovulation is whereby every woman, as God has designed it, want a woman to ovulate for you to have a baby. But some women, unfortunately, they experience anovulation. Anovulation is a situation whereby some women does not ovulate. There is no ovulation. Auntie B, thanks for following. So a woman should ovulate at the middle of every of her cycle. So ovulation is the name ovulation. Do you understand? So when the egg is released from the right or left ovary, it goes into the fallopian tube first. That is not the question you should ask. Chance 22. You should ask LMP or your EDD. Like the question is not put your LMP so that we can calculate your EDD. If you want to know your EDD, the date you will deliver, follow me and go and drop your LMP in my video where I said calculate pregnancy by weeks and not by month. Is if you go to my page, all my videos, they are very bold. The title is very bold. You can easily see my videos. You can easily see the title. Yes, you can feel pregnant, the result will say you are not. It's not the result that says you are not. You felt you're pregnant, but you are actually not pregnant. Yes. Mosi, thank you so much for following. Sometimes it can be hormonal imbalance, sometimes it can be PCOS, it can happen differently. It can happen as a result of some hormones playing with you. Sometimes you can actually be pregnant, but because you tested too early, it will come out negative. So you understand, you are 35 weeks if you are 8 months pregnant. Yeah. So Suba, thank you for following. God bless you. Charity join, how are you? Allah Akbar, how are you? Allah Akbar, join and follow me. Can blood test be wrong? In most cases, no. But if you test too early, if your LMP is wrong, you tell the doctor you are sometimes you feel you are pregnant, but you're actually not pregnant. Harley Quinns. 14 months ago, and I am currently 3 months pregnant. Would I have to do another one? I don't know. Harley Quinn, depends on the scar. If the scar is totally healed, you can go for VIVA. If the scar tenderness, you might not have the option of going for VIVA. Do you understand? From 36 weeks, there's second trimester exercise, action babe. There's second trimester exercise and there's third trimester exercise. If you're pregnant, depends on the stage that you are, will determine the exercise you will go for. Okay, I will continue with today's teaching. Anulu Wapo, thank you so much. So when the implantation happens, when the ovulation happens, the egg will go to the fallopian tube and wait and stay there. Why is the egg staying there? Please, can you guys should keep tapping the screen for me so that I can concentrate. Why does the egg stay in the fallopian tube? The egg stays in the fallopian tube waiting for something to come and hit it so that it will mature, it will fertilize and grow down into the uterus. But a situation whereby the egg is standing there, sitting there, waiting, the egg can only wait for 24 hours before it goes down to the uterus. If the egg goes there and did not see anything to play with, the egg will roll within 12 to 24 hours and dies. So you must know your fertile period. Your most fertile phase, you must know it. So how will I know my fertile phase? I'm going to tell you signs of ovulation, but first of all, I want to explain the scenario. What happens before and why you are not getting pregnant if you want to get pregnant. So the egg goes and waits. If you don't know your most fertile phase and nothing is, whenever the most fertile phase you've gotten to your most fertile phase and you could not calculate it, you are waiting for the day of ovulation gone to do it. It's not the right thing to do. You should do it before 5 days to your ovulation. You will see the mucus plug will increase. It will increase. It will increase. According to ASROM, Association of Medicine, states that with a thin, sticky, slimy, clear mucus, this thing. Don't know how much I will say it. I don't know how I will say it so that it will not be too sensitive. Okay, a woman should be able to become P. You understand? But if you are not able to track it, it's very difficult because it only takes 24 hours for the egg to wear off. Then it will wait for the next cycle and the lining will come as period. So watch out for these signs. After your some women, they don't know how to calculate it. They feel when they say 14 days after the period, so that is when they will see it. No, that is not how it is. My screen is frozen. Somebody ask a question.